Rico gang, welcome back to more NFT education, all right? And today, you know how we do it. We cover projects, we learn more about the NFT space by covering these projects, and ultimately, we see if these projects are something that we want to invest in or not, all right? So this one I came across today is called Zoothereum, all right? And what it is it looks like an NFT gaming type thing, right? And so they launched in 15 days. And so I wanted to go ahead and check this out, all right, and go over this with y'all. So welcome to Zoothereum. The release of our first series will represent keys to all of our other series and offerings, i.e. coin launch, games, and more. All right, so what it looks like is this project is sort of a bundle. It's not just one thing. It's just sort of an entry into other things that this particular project may have in store, all right? So let's go ahead and learn more. So we begin with 9 super unique and rare eggs from aliens to dinosaurs. You can expect anything from aliens to dinosaurs and everything in between. We have developed some amazing mythical and extinct creatures and characters we are really proud of, and we think you will love them as well. Owners keep the original egg as well as what hatches. 2 NFTs for 1 as a bonus. That's pretty dope, bro. All right, so let's learn more. No more than 250 copies. Each unique NFT will have no more than 250 copies, and some will be as low as 10 to ensure rarity and uniqueness. Okay. Limited supply, 3,500 keys. There will be a limited supply, 3,500 keys represented by NFTs. Okay. Playable characters. There will be a limited supply of 3,500 keys represented by NFTs. And so, honestly, what I'm thinking that might mean playable characters. There will be a limited supply of 3,500 characters represented by NFTs. Okay. So there's 900 eggs total, right? These are the different types, I guess: the Arctic egg, the robotic egg, the cemetery egg, Oriental egg, island egg, Mayan egg, galactic egg, ocean egg, Egyptian egg, all types of eggs. Okay, so are basically for investors who also work in the CG world full time for 15 years. That's a good sign. That's something to buy. That's something that you would look into this project and say, okay, these guys know what they're doing as far as this. Our team is super excited to see 2 industries merging. We are committed to making this project a success for everyone involved. We have spent our last year dedicated to making artworks, which you will see in this project, all right? So let's talk about the roadmap. The roadmap, December 10th, 35 NFTs, which represent keys to all our other projects, series, and offerings. Get yours before they are gone. March 25th, Series 2 will include some things from Series number 1, like zookeepers, but stay tuned for some new and amazing things. Eggs from Series 1 will begin to hatch in this time also. April 28th, and this is all 2022, by the way. NFTs are cool, but we love games and can't wait to show you what we have been working on. Stay tuned, this will be big. Okay, this is where that could take a turn, because once again, when it's gaming, then of course it completely changes it. And then the last step is to be determined, right? So let's look at their collection of high quality art. All right, so here's something I had kind of strolled across one of the NFTs. This is more 3D, and these aren't like, I've had someone ask me like, do they have to be characters? Do they have to be, you know, little standalone characters? No, they can literally be whatever you want them to be, right? So this is a laboratory in a lab. Go ahead and check their Twitter. They've got 1,300 followers. Okay, so what I appreciate about that, sometimes we can get distracted by the huge numbers of followers or whatever. But what I like about that is that they're transparent, right? They're not faking it. They're doing it for real, which we have to appreciate, because there's a lot of people that are faking it. You got to take Twitter for what it is. Twitter could indicate that there's some hype if it's there, but Discord is really where it's at. You know what I'm saying? And so their server is about the same size as my server, you know? So that's pretty good if you ask me, because I've been building my server for like 2 years now. So yeah, about 900 total members. That's authentic. This is real. What I get from this project, it's authentic, it's real, and it's made by people who know what they're doing within a given field. Ultimately though, let me know what y'all think in the comments about this video. It's your boy Rico, man. I'm out. Let's get it.